Hey everybody, what's up? I just wanted to cover my personal machine learning project. It is an AI web application for music artists, mainly in particular freestyle rappers. And so I wanted to go over basically the applications of it and how it works. So we have some interactive particles here, some TS particles. We have a main landing page here, describes all of our information here. So what we have here is I've created a RapGPT. So you could use LLM, you could use Hugging Face, you could use any API server that you wish. Um, in my instance, I use ChatGPT, um, and we'll go over how I did this. So a couple other components here. We have beats produced. So we're partnered with Fortune Music Group, where they provide us with professional industry beats that allow artists to streamline their workflow, tap into some music while they generate some lyrics. And also with the song lyrics notepad, um, they could write those ideas down and transfer them onto something more tangible. And so yes, we also have the notes history. We also, as a desktop feature, we have the metronome BPM if artists want to practice rapping to our rap word generator at a certain pace. So if we go to use our tool, we get a nice message here. It says we're back and better than ever, ready to help with all your music AI needs. So this is our AI chatbot. Originally, I used, I believe, a fast API with Python. Um, Deployed that through Replit, and I also had a front end that I used integrating VoiceFlow. Very, very great company. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. So VoiceFlow and Replit, I deployed my front end and back end with, and originally it didn't look like this. It had a little bit of a different component-based design, and that was from VoiceFlow. But you could design that to be marketed anyway. Now, what I've done now is I've taken away the third parties, I've taken away Replit, I've taken away VoiceFlow, and I've used AI agents, AI assistants within the OpenAI system to host just one script file, a chat component from my development, and into production we have this. So if we type in, how can I help you today? We've customized our system prompt to be tailored and fine-tuned towards music assistance. So who are you? And this is all in one script file about, let me see how many files we got in this one component here. Chatbot. This whole thing is about 193 lines of code to get this whole thing. And it's just one file. So whereas we went from all these different third-party sources, going to Replit to VoiceFlow to OpenAI, now we could just go OpenAI to our development with one script file. Other than that, so yeah, we get our answer here. Cool, yo, I'm RapGPT, completely customized. So we have our AI system. We also have a machine learning capability, a simple random word generator, where I curated a data set to be up to date and fine-tuned towards what everybody likes to listen to, mainly in particular rappers, freestyle artists. And so the idea behind this was I had friends, even myself at some points where I said, give me a topic to rap on, right? You're freestyling with your friends. So this is essentially the output of that. Now, if we click these arrows here, we can start playing some music. Probably cut out my audio, but we get some music there, and we get a structure of a basic rap template or a rap song, and you could just do your thing, and you can save it, and it'll save right here, and you could open it back up and edit it, or you could erase it, and in which case you erase it here as well. Okay, so we have a streamlined workflow. Very nice, very cool. And that's basically the whole idea behind it. Simple as that. We use AI and machine learning to create a minimalistic modern design. And if we look at the CSP behind this, the content security policy, all the marks are checked off in regards to content security policy. So, and we also have a dark theme here. Super awesome. So there we go. That's RapGPT in about 5 minutes. Um, if this is something that you find really interesting, beyond just looking at the interface of it, the functionality of it, the potential to add a subscription base to this, potentially another server, maybe Next.js, maybe MongoDB, Express, something along that, Angular, or anything, any other mean stack, mean stack, MERN stack, mean stack, lamb stack, any other stack you want to use, it could be implemented the same exact way. In which case, if you wanted to use Hugging Face and deploy some open source models, you would use dedicated endpoints in which you would host some GPU space, pay for that, and learn a bit about how virtual GPU space works. So there we go. That's RapGPT, RapGRT, the rap word generator, all in one.